What if you could code 5 times faster? No, I'm not talking about copy-pasting from Stack Overflow. I'm talking about AI that actually understands your entire codebase. The era of manual typing is over. If you're still writing every single boilerplate line by hand, you're falling behind. I've spent the last 6 months stress testing every major AI assistant on the market. From building full-stack apps to refactoring legacy spaghetti code, I've seen which tools actually ship production-ready code and which ones just hallucinate bugs. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best AI coding assistants for 2026. We'll compare Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Tabnine, and JetBrains AI to see which one actually fits your specific workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to install to 10x your productivity, stop the burnout, and land that high-paying dev role. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. Coding is hard. Not the logic part, the grunt work. The endless boilerplate. The repetitive CRUD operations. The 3 hours you just spent hunting for a missing semicolon or a weird indentation error. It's exhausting. And while you're grinding through the basics, the industry is shifting. There are developers out there shipping entire features while you're still fighting with your imports. They aren't necessarily smarter than you. They just have a better toolkit. If you're still writing every single line of code by hand, you're not being a purist. You're just being slow. In today's market, slow is dangerous. Companies don't pay for the number of keystrokes you make. They pay for results. The anxiety of falling behind is real. You see the 10x engineers and wonder what they know that you don't. The secret isn't a hidden textbook. It's how they leverage their environment. So the question isn't, should I use AI? The question is, which AI tool is actually going to make you a 10x engineer without turning your codebase into a buggy, unmaintainable mess? Here is the truth. The best developers in 2026 aren't the ones who memorize every syntax rule. They are the ones who know how to steer the AI. We're moving from writing code to reviewing code. If you're still typing every single bracket manually, you're working harder, not smarter. Let's break down the 5 tools that will actually move the needle on your productivity. First up, GitHub Copilot, the industry standard. It's like having a senior dev whispering in your ear. It's great for boilerplate and repetitive patterns, but it's a plugin. It lives inside your editor. That brings us to the current game changer, Cursor AI. Cursor isn't a plugin. It is the editor. Because it's a fork of V's code, it has a superpower. It indexes your entire local code base. You don't have to copy-paste code into a chat window. You just ask, where is the API logic for the user profile? And it knows exactly which file to open and what to change. For the junior devs, this is a cheat code for understanding massive legacy projects. Now, let's talk about privacy. If you're working on proprietary code or for a company with strict security, look at Tabnine. Unlike others, Tabnine offers fully local deployments. Your code never leaves your machine. It's slightly less magical than Cursor, but it's the gold standard for enterprise security. Then we have JetBrains AI. If you're a Java or Kotlin powerhouse, this is your home. JetBrains doesn't just guess the next line. It understands the deep semantic structure of your project. It's less about generating and more about refactoring and optimizing. Finally, the architect's tool, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. While the others are assistants, Claude is the strategist. Use Claude to plan your folder structure, design your database schema, or debug a logic error that's driving you insane. The secret sauce: don't pick just one. Use Claude to architect, Cursor to build, and Copilot to polish. That is how you 10x your output without burning out. Look, the gap between a junior and a senior isn't just knowledge. It's efficiency. Imagine cutting your boilerplate time by 80%. No more staring at a blank screen for an hour. You stop fighting syntax and start architecting systems. That is the real result of leveraging these tools. If you're ready to 10x your output, I've put the direct links to Cursor AI, GitHub Copilot, Tabnine, and JetBrains AI in the description below. Most of these have free trials or deep student discounts. Grab them now. Stop grinding manually. Start building production-ready apps today. If this breakdown saved you hours of research, hit that like button and subscribe to level up your tech career. Now, go build something great.